The Poo Files.
Poo Files, open.
Pooing. Some people like to make quite an occasion of it. Warning! Scientific studies suggest the more time you sit pushing poos out on the loo, the more likely you are to develop hemorrhoids. Hemorrhoids are swollen blood vessels in and around your back passage, and they're extremely painful. You're welcome!
Fart facts.
Bats. Scientists have been studying them for years because no one knows whether they fart or not. They have the right gut bacteria to fart, but their digestion is so fast, there may not be enough time for farts to build up. Could be they don't fart. Could be that they're the fastest farters in the world, like pum pum pum.
Poo is safe to eat. True or false? Place your bets.
Know your pee.
Reindeer. Where they live, there's lots of snow and not much salt, so there's nothing they like better than a nice salty drink of human urine. They love pee so much that Siberian sled masters will urinate to gather them all together. One way of doing it.
Is it safe to eat poo? True and false. Poo is non-toxic, so it won't actually poison you. But it contains bacteria and parasites that'll make you sick as a dog. Righto, you've had your fun.
Poo Files, closed.